Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down 5 watches built for one purpose above all else, to be utterly, completely, unshakably reliable in any condition life throws at them. From a solar-powered everyday companion to a rugged G-Shock built for the wilderness, all the way up to a satellite-synced professional dive watch that essentially never needs attention of any kind, this list is a celebration of watches that simply work. Let's get started. Number 5. Seiko Solar SNE 537. The Seiko Solar SNE 537 brings Seiko's trusted solar-powered technology into a clean, sporty package that delivers reliable everyday performance without the need for battery changes or mechanical winding. Solar-powered watches represent one of the most practical solutions for daily wear, and Seiko's implementation has been refined over decades to deliver consistent, dependable charging from virtually any light source. The dial design is clean and legible, with bold markers and hands that are easy to read in any lighting condition, while the stainless steel case and bracelet combination offers a classic, versatile look that suits a wide range of outfits and occasions. With solid water resistance for everyday use and Seiko's legendary reputation for long-term reliability, the SNE 537 is the kind of watch you put on in the morning without giving a second thought to whether it will keep ticking. For anyone who wants a practical, low-maintenance solar watch with genuine everyday versatility at an accessible price, the SNE 537 is an excellent starting point for this list. The Seiko Solar SNE 537 retails for approximately $200 USD. Number 4. Casio G-Shock GWG 2000. The Casio G-Shock GWG 2000, part of the rugged Mudmaster lineup, is one of the most comprehensively tough watches ever produced, a timepiece engineered from the ground up for the harshest outdoor environments imaginable. Built with a carbon and resin composite case structure, the GWG 2000 delivers exceptional shock resistance, mud resistance, and dust resistance that goes far beyond what any conventional watch construction could achieve. Equipped with solar charging, radio-controlled atomic timekeeping, an altimeter, barometer, compass, and thermometer, this watch packs a staggering array of outdoor tools into a single wrist-worn package. The bold, aggressive design communicates its purpose immediately, with large, easy-to-operate controls designed for use even with gloves on in cold or wet conditions. Multi-band atomic timekeeping ensures the GWG 2000 stays perfectly accurate without any manual adjustment, no matter where in the world you happen to be. For serious outdoor adventurers who need a watch that genuinely keeps up with them in the field, the GWG 2000 is an extraordinary tool. The Casio G-Shock GWG 2000 retails for approximately $500 USD. Number 3. Citizen EcoDrive AW1750. The Citizen EcoDrive AW1750 represents everything that makes Citizen's solar technology so genuinely appealing for everyday wear, combining practical convenience with a clean, versatile design that works for almost any occasion. Powered entirely by light, this watch never needs a battery replacement, making it a genuinely set-it-and-forget-it timepiece that simply works year after year without a single thought required. The dial design is understated and elegant, with a date window adding practical functionality without cluttering the overall aesthetic. The stainless steel case and bracelet combination offers a classic, timeless look that transitions easily from office to weekend, formal to casual. With reliable water resistance suitable for daily splashes and hand washing, and Citizen's decades of expertise in solar technology ensuring long-term reliability, the AW1750 is the kind of watch that quietly does its job extremely well without ever asking for attention. The Citizen EcoDrive AW1750 retails for approximately $150 US. Number 2. Casio G-Shock MTG B3000. The Casio G-Shock MTG B3000 represents the pinnacle of Casio's metal-twisted G line, blending the legendary toughness G-Shock is famous for with genuinely premium materials and finishing. Featuring a combination of stainless steel and resin construction, this watch achieves remarkable shock resistance while looking and feeling far more refined than a typical G-Shock. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, solar charging, and radio-controlled atomic timekeeping, the MTG B3000 is packed with smart features that keep it perfectly accurate anywhere in the world without any manual adjustment. The carbon core guard structure protects the movement from impacts, while the sapphire crystal resists scratches even in the harshest conditions. With a sophisticated dial design featuring layered elements and tasteful color accents, this G-Shock looks just as appropriate paired with business attire as it does on a hiking trail. For anyone who wants genuine toughness without sacrificing sophistication, the MTG B3000 delivers an experience that feels distinctly premium. The G-Shock MTG B3000 retails for approximately $2,200 USD. Number 1. Citizen ProMaster JY7801L. Taking the top spot is the Citizen ProMaster JY807801L, a watch that represents the absolute pinnacle of what Citizen's diving lineup has to offer, combining serious professional-grade specifications with the convenience and reliability that has made EcoDrive technology so respected throughout the industry. With an impressive 300 meters of water resistance, a unidirectional bezel, and a robust stainless steel case built to withstand genuine professional diving conditions, this watch meets and exceeds ISO dive watch standards in every category. Powered by Citizen's EcoDrive solar technology, it never requires a battery change, meaning divers can trust it will simply work whenever needed without worrying about power levels before a dive. The bold dial design features generous luminous markers and hands for maximum visibility in dark or murky underwater conditions, while the substantial case and bracelet combination provides genuine durability for demanding use. Combining professional dive watch credentials with the practical, maintenance-free convenience of solar power, the ProMaster JY807801L is the perfect way to end this list, a watch built to perform reliably in the most demanding conditions imaginable. The Citizen ProMaster JY807801L retails for approximately $400 USD.